I had to bring Heisenberg in. No sooner I get it home, and I think the next day there was another warning light. It just needed an oil change. So I thought I'd bring it in. I think this is it right here. Yeah, that one's mine, I think. Oh, that one is mine. I see in the mirror. This is the brand new 2025 Kicks. And you saw the gray one that I drove. This has got a lot of major improvements in it. This is the SR model. Fully loaded. It's one I'm looking for. Let me show you. There's the price. No, there's the price. I can get it a lot cheaper. He's already given me a rough idea. It'll be way under 30. But sitting right next to it, this is the brand new Nissan Frontier. I haven't done any research on it. Now this one is fully loaded in my price range. This one's a little bit more, but he told me he can. This is the 24. I get a real good discount on it. And he knows I'm still not buying it until the spring. But this is also just a basic, just really, no fancy nothing in it. It's got a way bigger engine. I think it's a 3.6, but the fuel mileage is quite horrible. And you guys know I need a pickup truck, but I absolutely I really don't like pickup trucks at all. So if I buy this pickup truck, it'd have to be a really good price. I hate this color, but he's getting a bunch of ones in of colors that I like. So it's just going to come down to price, really. I can afford both of them, but I mean, if there's a huge difference in price, then I probably would buy it, the pickup. It's much. Anyway, I could use it obviously, but I really don't like them. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later.